All right, so we bought this lovely 5x10 trailer, and I wanted to put a tie-down system in it rather than just putting individual tie points. I thought I'd get the E-Track system. So I get this from Amazon. We'll put a link below. It's called the Vevor, V-E-V-O-R tie-down kit. It doesn't come with this motorcycle chalk. I got that separately.
On Amazon?
On Amazon. I can put a link to that too. It's also, it just pops off like this. It's also E-Track compatible.
Okay,
so what we're going to do today is, well, actually, I'll show you what came in the kit. 4 5-foot tracks.
Okay.
You can see right here. And then if you want to come over here, came with a couple of ratcheting straps, which also fit right in to the E-Track, which is really cool. And then a couple of, should there be 2 of those?
There might be one left inside.
And 4 of these tie-down straps.
And so all of these fit in the track.
Yeah, all these fit in. And then there's 8 of these individual tie-down kind of buckle things. So once the track is installed, you can put these anywhere on the track, and they're very versatile.
Okay, and Chris is super excited about this.
Oh, here's the other one. Yeah, I'm excited. So I bought a motorcycle chalk, a set of 2, and it just fits right in. So if I can put one motorcycle, like one dirt bike, I can put it in the center. If I have 2, I can put them on the sides.
Yeah.
And we're going to attempt to install this.
Yeah.
So here's what I got at Home Depot this morning. I got 2.5-inch lag bolts. And they're all 1/4-inch diameter. That's what the E-Track holes are, 1/4 inch.
Okay.
And then I got some more 1/4-inch, 2.5-inch. No, these are 2-inch. These are 2-inch bolts. These are 2.5-inch bolts. And then I got some washers and the nuts. And then I got some lock washers.
And the length of the bolts depends on the wood on your trailer,
It
right?
does, yeah.
Okay. So these are the screws?
Yep.
And then you're going to do the bolts after?
Yeah,
Oh.
the screws will hold it in place, right? I'm getting ready to put the bolts in, so I've got all my screws down.
A lot of them.
There's a lot of them, and it's actually pretty sturdy right there, but you want the bolts just as an added anchor. So I'm going to drill a hole through this. And I'm not sure about this one. Oh yeah, that went through. I wasn't sure if I was hitting a piece of metal there, but I wasn't, so that's good. So let's take a look and see if I bought long enough bolts. I should have brought a hammer. Jam that down. Oh yeah, went through. Nice. How about that one? Oh yes.
Yay.
Went through. Not a lot on the other side. Hopefully I can have enough room to fit a washer and a lock washer on, but we'll see.
Do you want to show the pieces?
Yeah. There's a washer and there's a lock washer, both 1/4 inch. And here's my nuts.
Okay. All right.
All fits, that's the question. That on. Oh yeah. That'll fit.
Gonna work?
I think so.
Oh, great. And we should say here, this is not sponsored. We just bought this. Chris wanted this for the dirt bike trailer. And we thought he loves it, so we thought you guys would like to see it. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, we got all the track installed. A combination of bolts that go right through the trailer floorboards and 1.5-inch screws.
Lots of them.
Yeah, but it's got to be kept got to be nice and tight, so it's not going anywhere, that's for sure, hopefully. So now I can take a motorcycle shock. If I've got 2 dirt bikes, I can put one here and one there and put both dirt bikes on. Or if I've got one, I can just plop it in the center. And that just slips on like this. Clipped in. And then we've got all kinds of tie downs, like say we want to put a tie down here. Now, I haven't used these yet, so I'm not sure what to expect here. How do these work? Oh, there we go. There we go. And so your strap would attach to that and go up over the bike. And you can put another one on the other side. Like so. And like I've got 8 of these, so if I were tying down 2 bikes, I'd put one in the center and both bikes would go to that one, and then I'd put one on each side like this. How do I have the other ones? Like that? Like that. There. And then I could put tie downs on the other 2 if I like for the backs of the bikes.
Alright. Okay. Okay. And then can you put one in right here?
And these come with the kit as well. They're still tie downs, but they give a little extra length. They're more like straps, so it gives us the opportunity to bend in case it needs to go a different way. But anyway, they go in the same way. You can slide it in, clips in, super strong, perfect. Come right out.
And all of this stuff we read, it's galvanized steel that's
Been powder coated.
been powder coated. So it's supposed to be weather resistant, rust resistant. And Chris was saying those tie downs, which ones? 2,000 pounds, that one?
All of them.
All of them. So overall, so what do you think on overall?
I love it.
Yeah.
Perfect. If we have a load of wood or anything that we have to put on, we have a place to tie it down pretty much everywhere. So.
Yeah. And it's going to be great. This is mainly going to be used for hauling dirt bikes and Chris's motorcycle if need be. So I think overall you're very pleased with it, aren't you, hon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would highly recommend it.
Yeah.
It was easy to install.
Pretty easy. You have to crawl
Yeah.
under the trailer, but other than that.
Yeah. And you have to be willing to put in a whole bunch of bolts and screws, but
Yeah.
yeah. So this is it. So just to reiterate, this is not sponsored, and it is a fantastic product that Chris was so excited about. So we thought we'd show you. We hope you enjoyed it.